The 1-second technique is a method that aims to help individuals to quickly calm their minds and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. The technique involves the following steps. 1. Take a deep breath in and hold it for 1 second. 2. Release the breath slowly and completely. 3. Repeat steps 1 and 2 for a total of 10 deep breaths. The technique is based on the idea that deep breathing can have a calming effect on the body and mind by slowing down the heart rate and reducing muscle tension. By holding the breath for 1 second before exhaling, it allows more oxygen to reach the brain, which can help to reduce feelings of anxiety and stress. It's important to note that this technique is not a substitute for professional help if you are experiencing severe anxiety or other mental health issues, but it can be a helpful tool for managing mild anxiety or stress in the moment. It is also important to find a comfortable and quiet place where you can practice the technique without being disturbed. You can do it while sitting or standing, but make sure to keep your spine straight and your shoulders relaxed.